Well, hey there, YouTube. Well, I thought I'd just bring you guys along when I come down here to the barn and check on the horses. Uh, we live in Pennsylvania. We're supposed to get like 6 to 12 inches of snow. We got about 5 at the very most, I think. But here is a lovely bunch, a couple of them, Gretchen and Maddie. They got their coats on. They're weathering pretty well, I'd imagine. Look out, guys. Water's nice and full, warm, not frozen. Miss Gretchen's a pink taco. There's 7. Moseying her way up here. She thinks she's going to get fed. You got plenty of hay down there. You want to say hi to the camera? Huh? You want to say hi to the camera? I hope y'all come along to watch as we try and tidy up my place and make it a little more sustainable, I guess you could say. We have this. This is about 2.5 acres straight down here, and then that over there is about 2 acres, and then this little one off the corner here, it's about an acre. So they all kind of hang up here in this little field here. It's about an acre for the winter time. But that's about all. In the springtime, these guys aren't on my property now. Actually, 2 of them are my friends, and I'm just boarding my horse here now. And we've kind of worked out a little deal that I help take care of them, and I can leave my horse here. But in the springtime, we've been working back at my place. We've been clearing out. I got 2.5 acres fenced in just this past fall, plus another acre and a half that's been fenced in that I need to redo. So, hope y'all come along to watch all that activity. 7 says hello. You're all frozen, but I know you're warm.